First slime I want to show you is our lava ooze. Pretty quick. Tap it and it's real jiggly, some water. It's real pretty. That is pretty. This I didn't show you in our last video, but I had it. It's called marshmallow slime. Marshmallow slime. It looks and feels real. And it does feel kind of like marshmallow slush. See, look, it looks real. It's like marshmallows. Don't smell like marshmallows. Marshmallow slime. It says not food, only fun. Okay, we got our scented orange slime. It smells so pretty. I wish I could smell it. See? And it's real oozy. See? It's real sticky. It really does smell like oranges. It's pretty cool. Nice smell. I'm trying to get off. And next we got, this is new. I showed y'all this in a video the other day. This is poo. And I have two of these. And it's real watery. See the little poo face? I want poo face. There's that little poo face. There's that little bow. It's real water. Slimy. See? It's real slimy. Pull some. I'm going to show you. Okay. That's brown. And then we have our pink poo slime. It looks like this. Looks like it's got, this one got more than that one, but here's the slime. It's pink. I like the pink. I like the color. It's real cool. And here's his face. It's the face for the poo slime. Okay. Now I have some slime. Okay, then we got, like I said, we got our ooze, our rainbow ooze. Remember, we mixed these together, so this is the pretty purple. This was purple, and I can't remember what three colors it was, but it's real pretty. You can break it, and you can pull it like slime. Put that back in there. This is, I love the color. This one turned out to be pretty purple with all that glitter. And then this one, kind of like a brownish orange. Oh, guys, my ear itches. Okay, this is like a brownish orange, but it kind of looks like honey. The color of honey. See, like a honey color. It's real pretty, glittery, pretty. The poo slime, the other poo slime we got. The face says goo poo. I'll take it out. And it's real stretchy. Right. Okay, we're gonna put it back in this container. Put it on it here. Let's try to make it worse. Color out. And then put it back in this ring. Yeah, okay, and then we got, this is from the Lost Kittens, the clay, it's like clay, the Play-Doh, right? I mixed it all in one container here. It says this, like so. I put in a little container. This is mostly Num Num slime, but I mixed other slime in here as well. A little bit of everything is in here except for the new stuff that I have to add. And you know what? I might as well do that while I'm sitting here. and it's ooey gooey because some of that's ooey gooey. I'm gonna add the new slime while I'm setting this stuff over to the side. I'm gonna add some of the pink. Ooh. But like I said, most of this is Num Num slime. There we go. Okay. Add a little bit of the pink in there. I don't think there's any marshmallow slime in here either. I think there's that slime in there. And a little bit of the poo dough. And then I'm going to add some marshmallow slime because I don't know if I have any marshmallow slime in there. If it'll go in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like though. Get some of that sticky orange slime in there. Okay, there we go. I'm going to show you how this slime looks. Put the poo dough over there. Put stuff over there. And here's how it looks. See, look at that. Mixture of all the slimes. Look at that, how pretty it is. I want you to see how pretty it is. See how pretty it is? Sticky. There's a. So that's kind of like my own little creation. It's in a potato salad also. But that is all the slime we have. I have. Hopefully, I might go to Walmart today, so I might be getting some new stuff. We post on the channel. So see you later, guys. Bye.